In this video, I'm going to explain how YouTube TV works so you can understand its features and enjoy live TV streaming with ease. Let's get started. YouTube TV is a subscription-based streaming service that offers live television, on-demand content, and cloud DVR capabilities without the need for traditional cable. To begin, YouTube TV provides access to over 100 live channels, including popular networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, CNN, and more. These channels stream live just like traditional TV, but you can watch them on multiple devices such as smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, or computers. Simply sign up for a subscription at tv.youtube.com, and you'll gain instant access to the platform's extensive lineup of sports, news, entertainment, and kids programming. One of the standout features of YouTube TV is its cloud DVR. This allows you to record live shows and store them in the cloud for up to 9 months. You can schedule recordings manually or set up series recordings to capture every episode of your favorite shows. The best part? There's no limit to how much you can record, and it won't take up space on your device. YouTube TV also supports simultaneous streaming on up to 3 devices, so multiple people in your household can watch different programs at the same time. Additionally, each user can create their own personalized profile, complete with individual watch histories, recommendations, and DVR libraries. To use YouTube TV, download the app on your preferred device or access it through a web browser. Sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to start streaming. You can browse content using the Live, Home, or Library tabs, search for specific shows or channels, and even add favorites for quick access. Finally, YouTube TV integrates seamlessly with other Google services, such as Google Assistant, allowing you to control playback with voice commands like Play ESPN or Record this show. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on navigating streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now have a clear understanding of how YouTube TV works. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.